name is Zaim Zolifkar, and today we will be creating two relationships on Excel. So the first one is going to be between the FGI product and the sales subset. As you can see, they're connected by the product code. So we're going to go over here to relationships, create a new one, go to subset, FGI, and select product code. Now for the second one, it's between sales subset and customer. So for that one, it's going to be subset customer. And for that, they're linked by the customer ID. Here you go. And now you have two relationships created. Thank you. Okay, so for this one, this is alternative 3. We're gonna pull all the data together into basically one table using the Excel query data editor. So we're gonna go create a new book, go to data, and you're gonna press get data. Okay, now that you're on get data, you're gonna go find the workbook. Okay, so now we are going to select what we need to use. So we're gonna press select multiple items, and we need customer, FGI product, and sales subset. And then we are going to select transform data. Okay. So we're gonna merge first the sales subset to the customer. So you go over here to merge queries. And you see the sales subset up here. Now let's bring in the customer, and they're connected by the customer IDs. And we have left outer selected. Now that we see everything looks good, we're gonna, except for this column right here, we're gonna fix this by clicking this. And it shows that it has all this information you can pull in from the other table, which looks good. We're gonna click OK. Now we're going to do the same exact thing with sales subset and FGI product. And this one is connected by the product code. Everything looks good, so I'm going to press OK. Now, we do need to rename this, however, so we're going to rename this to product. And we're also going to expand it out to pull in all the columns from the other table. Okay, so now you see you already have the first two tables that you had at the beginning, and you still have a sales subset. The sales subset has stuff from FGI product and customer in there too, as you can see from the headers right here. So now we're going to close it. And it's going to load everything in. And now the final thing to do is to rename this to sales order merged. Now let's save it. Hey, how's it going? It's Zaim, and we're back here again working on Lab 2.2. So today we're going to be working on alternative 4. So the first step is you're going to create a query design. Come back to this. And then to program, you go to SQL view. Okay, so basically I went ahead and fast forwarded. I typed it all out. So it made this video super long, but as you can see, we selected from the sales subset FGI product and customer up here. And from customer, we interjoined with the product code. And then we also interjoined from the customer ID. Okay, and now let's see if we can run it. I did have one error, I'm not gonna lie. I edited it out, but I'm gonna be an honest person and say it did happen. But it went through. Now let's rename this. And as you can see, this is a pretty large data set, so it's pretty cool how I was able to just combine everything. And now we're gonna send it over to Excel. So click Excel, okay, sure. And it was successfully sent over to Excel. And now that we're in Excel, we're gonna pull the data. So now how you pull it into Excel, last step is we're just gonna pull both of them in because we have two copies. Transform it. It's gonna take a quick second. And here you go. You have two different versions and they're both in Excel now, and we brought it in over from Access. All right, thank you. And this should be the end of lab 2-2.